Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing a technique for making miniature barbed wire for tabletop games and dioramas. To make the barbed wire, I will be using this chicken wire with a hole size of 6 by 6 mm. My tools for this project are a precision cutter, a penknife handle, although any hard round stick with a sufficiently small diameter will do, a multi-tool in case the wire is too tough to work with, protective gloves. Barbed wire is meant to be harmful, so protection is needed. And protective goggles, which you don't see on the table because they're already on my face. Cutting off small pieces of metal with the precision cutter causes them to fly away, and eye protection is important. So, let's get started. The first thing I need to do is cut a single long piece of chicken wire. This particular model of chicken wire consists of long pieces of metal wire connected perpendicularly to other long pieces of metal wire. By cutting off the perpendicular wires and leaving only the connection, the single piece of wire looks as if it has knots or tiny spikes at regular intervals along its length. Cleaning the tiny metal pieces is easier with a magnet. I can just run it around the workbench and it will collect them all. Now that I have a long piece of wire, I need to wrap it around the penknife handle. Wearing protective gloves for this step is extremely important. Here is my piece of barbed wire. I will stretch it a bit so that it can fit on top of this miniature fence panel. By the way, this fence panel is also made from the same chicken wire, and if you want to see how I made it, please feel free to watch my other video. The link is in the description. So, this was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.